Let's craft those unforgettable progressive house-led melodies by mastering the art of layering sounds. Start by selecting your primary lead synth. Think about a sound with a good bite and presence, perhaps a saw wave with a touch of detuning for width. Adjust the ADSR envelope to give it sustain but also a subtle decay, making it feel alive and dynamic within the track. A slightly slower attack can create a smoother entry. Now, for the first layer, choose a complementary sound, something softer and more ethereal, like a lush pad or a filtered sine wave. This will add depth and sweetness. Filter this second layer gently, perhaps with a slightly longer decay than the primary lead. Blending these two will already start to fill out the sound. Next, let's introduce a sampled element. This could be a vocal chop, a plucked sound, or even a percussive hit that complements your melody. Chop it up and place it strategically to add rhythmic interest. Experiment with reversing parts of the sample, or pitching it up or down to create unique textures. Consider how it interacts rhythmically with your main lead. Now for the magic effects, start with EQ to carve out space. Gently roll off low and on your secondary layers to prevent muddiness, and perhaps boost frequencies where your primary lead shines. Add a touch of high-quality reverb to create a sense of space and dimension. Experiment with different reverb types, from halls to plates, to find what suits your melody. A well-placed delay can add rhythmic complexity and a sense of propulsion. Try a dotted 8-note delay or even a ping-pong delay for stereo width. Finally, consider a subtle saturation or chorus effect to glue your layers together and add richness. Blend all these elements, adjusting their volumes until the lead melody sings with a powerful, captivating sound. By consciously stacking and blending these sonic components, you can transform a simple idea into an unforgettable progressive house lead.